Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing a profitable trading strategy. If you're searching for a reliable chart analysis indicator that works 100%, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll introduce you to a technical indicator that performs exceptionally well in cryptocurrency, Forex, and stock markets. It delivers excellent results on shorter time frames. During this lesson, you'll learn how to recognize setups, when to enter the market, and how to set trading targets. We'll also examine a few examples across different markets so you can begin generating consistent profits, similar to what you'll see at the end of the video. Today, we'll present a very simple and effective strategy that you can use to achieve good results. This strategy can be applied for both scalping, for quick profits, and on longer time frames. Let's start by familiarizing ourselves with the trading tools. First, load TradingView and select a Forex currency pair or another financial instrument you want to trade. The strategy I'm describing in this video works best on a 5-minute time frame. Then, click on the Indicators tab and search for Black Pika's test algo created by Pikachu Ventures. Keep the settings for this indicator unchanged. The script's basic foundation relies on ATR, volatility, RSI, stock RSI, and Donchian channels. It doesn't repaint. Alerts are available for all signals, including take-profit signals. As you've noticed, this indicator provides excellent entry signals. The next step is to add a second indicator to your chart. Search for Black Hat L3 Banker Fund Breath Oscillator in the TradingView search field. While adjusting the settings for this indicator, change the trend step resolution parameter from 4 to 13. In the Style section, hide the following elements and change the chart option from an area to a histogram. Black Hat L3 Banker Fund Breath Oscillator is bounded by the zero axis. When the indicator line is above the zero axis, it indicates an inflow of large funds, or what's called the inhalation of banker funds. Conversely, when the indicator line is below the zero axis, it indicates an outflow of banker funds, or the exhalation of banker funds. Okay, our configuration is now ready. Let's see how to use these tools for trading. The Black Pika indicator must generate a buy signal, and then the banker fund breath oscillator should be above the zero line. If these conditions are met, execute a sell order. Place your stop loss at the previous market peak. The risk-to-reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. The market has achieved the target. If you've learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to leave a comment on the video. I hope the described rules and strategy are clear. If not, don't worry. Now, let's look at a few trading examples to better understand how this all works in practice. Let's move on to the next example. Here, the Black Pika indicator generates a sell signal. The banker fund breath oscillator is below the zero line. All our conditions are met. We open a sell order. Place your stop loss at the bottom of the previous price movement, and the risk-to-reward ratio is 1 minute and 1.5 seconds. Let's proceed to the next trade. In this case, the Black Pika indicator generates a buy signal, and the banker fund breath oscillator is above the zero line. All our conditions are met again. We open a buy order, place the stop loss at the bottom of the previous price movement, and maintain a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 minute and 1.5 seconds. Let's see how this trade unfolds. We profit. Moving on to the last trade. We have a sell signal generated by the Black Pika indicator, and the banker fund breath oscillator is below the zero line. All our conditions are met. We open a sell order, place the stop loss at the top of the previous price movement, and maintain a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 minute and 1.5 seconds. Let's see how this trade progresses. We profit. By using this strategy, we can make trading decisions based on confirmed signals, significantly increasing our chances of success. However, always remember that no trading strategy is foolproof, so proper risk management should be applied, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.